Hello guys, I decided to update my catch can installation and use the third port. At the moment, the outlet on this side of the valve cover only has a breather, and I will try to install a hose from there to the third inlet of the catch can and see if it changed the amount of oil vapor slash fuel slash humidity that get into the catch can. So this is the job for today, installing this hose from the valve cover to the catch can. So let's jump to it right away. Pretty clean. The only place you can see the hose is obviously around the catch can. I need to do a loop because if I make a turn too quick, it will pinch the hose and there will be problem with vacuum. So now the only thing left to do is ride the truck for a week and see if there's a difference in the amount of crap that I get in the catch can. Update guys, I just did a test drive and it was whistling like hell, and when I removed the oil cap there was so much negative pressure in the crankcase, it was crazy. I had a suction when I removed the oil cap, so I won't try to fight this even if I don't understand, since this side of the valve cover was going at the turbo inlet before on the original setup. The only difference now is that it's going by the catch can and go in the turbo. Anyway, as I said, I won't fight this. It was working fine before I connected to the catch can, so I will just go with my original setup, reinstall my breather, remove that hose, and plug the third inlet or the second inlet, since it's two inlets and one outlet. So I will plug the second inlet of the catch can and I will drive like it was driving fine before I decided to try this update. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is it for now. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.